Hello guys. So in today's video we're gonna do something simple. We're gonna grab three of these clears candle holder and I'm going to put some hot glue around it and then I'm going to attach two of them together like that one on top of each other. Then I'm gonna take my hot glue and put hot glue around in the other candle holder. Make sure to put enough hot glue or use E6000 for better attachment. Then go ahead and attach it on top like that. Hold it into place. Then after that I'm gonna spray paint it in gold if you haven't done it yet. Then I'm going to take this floral foam. I'm going to place it there just to mark it down like that, just to make the circle. Then after you make the circle, I'm going to grab a knife or a scissor, whatever you have, and just cut out the circle like that. Just go around the line that you made with a candle holder and then just take that part out. Then just go ahead and make a big hole like that. You're going to make a hole that it could fit inside like that of the candle holder. Then once you put it inside that it fit, then go ahead and grab your hot glue and then put it around it like that. Then just make sure to attach enough of hot glue in here so it can attach into place. Then go ahead and attach it like that. Then after that, I'm gonna grab a toothpick and then I'm gonna take this flower and place it inside. Make sure to attach your flower with a little bit of hot glue to the toothpick, and then just go ahead and place it inside. Then I'm gonna take these cute green branches and I'm going to attach the same way with a little bit of hot glue, and then go ahead and place your toothpick in there and then attach it into place and then go ahead and place it in the floral foam. Then just continue attaching greenery around it like that until you do the whole thing all the way around it with different, you could do different branches in different size. I just decided to do this one in this color. Then after you guys do that, you attach all the little branches inside. Continue attaching flowers like that. Then go ahead and grab this glass, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it to the floor foam on top like that. Then after you attach it in there, I'm gonna take this candle and place it inside. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is something so simple that you guys can do for any party decorations of any party theme that you guys are doing. You could also add up a little bit flowers at the bottom part if you want it to be more extravagant, if you want it to be more wow. Or you could just leave it as this one without the candle and the glass, and it would be just simple as that. Or you could also just take this flower out first and then put a candle holder on top like that. Make sure to attach it with hot glue and then put a candle. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This one you could also place some flower at the bottom part if you would like. Another way that you guys can do it is take the flower out, and then after you take all the flower out, I'm gonna take this balloon holder and I'm just gonna take a balloon and place the balloon like that and then just attach it to the balloon holder. Once you grab it into place, I'm gonna take my hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue all the way around the balloon holder and then just place it right in the floor phone. Just place it inside into attach into place. Then go ahead and put more flour around it. And this is how you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. This can be done for any party decorations of any party themes. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of three of them. I hope you guys like this DIY video. And thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to like, share, and comment, letting me know what you guys think of this DIY. This is the only way that you guys can help this page by liking and sharing. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.